Hello everyone. In this video we'll see the complete sales order cycle. So what I mean by that, we'll create a sales order, we'll add product on our sales order, then we'll confirm, we'll do picking, packing and invoicing everything. Now to create a sales order, you can go to sales and marketing and simply click on all sales order here. And now here you can simply click on new. And here I can select my customer. Assume I want to create sales order for my this contest detail, this one, and I will click on OK. Now if you see, my sales order is created and my customer address, for example, I'm going to sell these items to this customer, so its address is getting auto populated, and also various other things like the requested ship date and receipt date, everything is coming here. Now here I will need to add my lines. So let's say this customer have ordered a particular product from us. Assume the product is this one, the one which we created in our last videos. So I'm going to simply add this product here. Now, if you see here, I have to specify the site and warehouse. Now this is, you need to make sure you are choosing it correctly. Now, if you see in the previous videos, we have done the inventory adjustment for this item. So what I mean by that, let me go to inventory management, and from here I will go to my inquiries and reports, and I will click on hand list, and here I will simply search with this D365. Okay, and now here you see, let me click on dimension, and I will add site and warehouse, and let me save this setup for later purpose. Okay, now if you see inside one and this warehouse, D365 warehouse, we have 1000 quantities available. So I will select the same site and warehouse. So I will go with one. Here inside my warehouse, I will go with this D365 warehouse, product warehouse. Okay, so now I'm going to provide this item to my customer from the site and warehouse, but now I also need to tell how many quantities. So let's say the customer orders near about 91 from us, so I will simply select here 91, and here if you see, the unit price is automatically coming. This is what we did set up in our first video. Now what I will do, I'm ready with everything. Okay, so this is the net amount, so I will simply confirm the sales order. Now to confirm your sales order, you can click on the cell tab and then simply click on confirm now. So your sales order is getting confirmed. Okay, now once this will be done, you will get this particular info log here. Now if you see your sales order is confirmed, you can even see the journals. Now when you go to journals, click here, and this is your confirmation number. Basically it's sales order and simply -1, just the date. This is the amount, and when you will go to lines, you can see the line information as well. Let me try to print. If okay, so now my sales order is confirmed. Now the next thing that I will do is I will start doing this registration here. I'll click on this generate picking list. So I will generate my picking list, and I'm going to do it for all quantities. And again you will get the same information like your sales order number, total this is available, but if we need this one, right? So then again the line details and everything is available here, and I will simply click OK, and I will say OK. Now the picking list is getting generated here. Now my picking list is generated, and now this option is disabled for me. Now further I will do registration here. And here if you see, currently the handling status is activated, but now when I will update it, it is changed to completed. Okay, so basically 91 items have been picked. Let me go back and let me do a refresh here. Now this is also done. Now we'll simply post the packing slip. Okay, again we'll get the same information. We can simply verify here. So this all looks good. I can say all, and I will click OK here, and I will say OK. So picking and packing is done, inside your warehouses. And now if you see, all these buttons are disabled, and you can see the picking list information, and all this information are available here. Then similarly, if you want the packing slip and if you want the document journals, you can print and download. Now this items, will go to customer. Then we need an invoice as well for the payment. So I will click on invoice here. And also I will go with all because we have already selected. Now this will get printed. So this much payment we are expecting from customer. I'll click OK. So here if you see, the status is delivered, because when you do the pick and picking, so the status changes to delivered. But now once the invoicing will be completed, so then this will change to invoiced. So we'll wait for the status, we'll wait for invoicing to get completed. Okay, so if you see, the invoicing is completed and your sales order, now this is in your invoice status. So further there are a few more steps as well, like when you will get the payment from your customer, then you will create a customer payment journal for this sales order, but we are not going to do it currently, we'll do it later. So this was the complete end-to-end cycle for your sales order, how you can confirm, how you can create, how you can do picking, packing, invoicing, everything. Thanks for watching this video.